Good evening. I'm K H Damsha in grade 7 from Sujata Vidyalaya. My project is Automatic Alarm and Light System for Spraying Sanitizer. I did this under the guidance of Mr. Neumal Veerasinghe. Problem definition. You all know COVID-19 are spread through touch and contact. There are WHO guidelines to clean or sanitize hands regularly to reduce the risk of infection. Hand sanitizers usually operate by squirting sanitizer liquid when one presses a pump with one's hand. This may cause to transmit the virus. That's one problem. The other problem is sometimes people don't remember to sanitize their hands. To address these problems, I have designed an automatic alarm and light system for spraying sanitizer to remind them to sanitize hands. I continue research in future as this. In this automatic alarm and light system sends only if someone come to the very nearest. But I hope to develop it as to sense at least within the distance between the person and the system in 1 meter. Let's see what is my solution. Automatic alarm and light system for spraying sanitizer designed and developed. But automatic sanitizer spraying system is already available. Therefore, in my project, I have added a new part. It's an automatic alarm and light system to remind sanitizer spraying. Now, the system consists of automatic alarm and light system and automatic spraying system. Light system is developed for deaf people. The system is kept at near to the entrance of schools, supermarkets, or any other public places where very crowded. It reminds the people by a ringing sound to sanitize their hands when they reach the system. Also, it can spray several times according to the size of the bottle that we chosen. By using the automatic sanitizer spraying bottle helps to reduce the contact for getting sanitizer, and also we don't have to employ a man to spray sanitizer. And this is the image of the system. Let's see overall view of my project. Because of COVID-19 pandemic, people started to use sanitizer. But with their busy lives, when they go to supermarkets, schools, and other public places, they forgot to sanitize their hands. So I made an automatic alarm and light system to remind people to sanitize their hands. Light system implemented for people who are deaf. Also, if all people touch the top of the sanitizer bottle, it may cause the spread of COVID-19. So I made an automatic sanitizer spraying system. I have connected all these two as a single unit. Now you can see the diagram of automatic sanitizing machine. And this is the diagram of automatic alarm and light system for sanitizer dispensing. These are the components and tools that I used for automatic alarm and light system. I have used a 4-volt battery, an IR sensor, a LED, a buzzer, and some jumper wires. And these are the components and tools that are used for automatic sanitizer spraying system. An Arduino Uno board, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, and some jumper wires. This is my budget. The total for all the components is 3,630 rupees. Methodology. The automatic alarm and light system for spraying sanitizer will be presented in 2 parts. The automatic alarm and light system and automatic sanitizer spraying system. First, when implementing the automatic alarm and light system, VCC of IR sensor is fixed to the positive terminal of the battery and GND is fixed for the negative terminal of the battery. Out pin is fixed to the negative terminal of the buzzer and the LED. Next, the positive terminal of the buzzer and the LED are fixed to the positive terminal of the 4-volt battery. Second, when implementing the automatic sanitizer spraying system, signal pin of servo motor is fixed to the pin number 7, ground pin is fixed to the GND pin, and power pin is fixed to the 3.3 volt pin in Arduino Uno board. Next, ultrasonic sensor is taken. Ground pin is set to the GND, echo pin is set to the digital pin 6, trigger pin is set to the digital pin 5, and power pin is set to the 5 volt pin in Arduino Uno board. Then, ultrasonic sensor is attached on middle of the sanitizer bottle and servo motor is attached on the side of the sanitizer bottle. This is my project timeline. I selected the project on 23rd of November and I presented the project. I continued my project till 11th of December 2021. And this is how I tested my project. When we reach our hand to the IR sensor, the bulb, light, and the buzzer make a sound. And in here, when we reach our hand to the ultrasonic sensor, the servo motor turned and sanitizer served like this. Contributions of the project. Suggestions for future researchers. Thank you.